Adding inventory to Amazon FBA involves several systematic steps to ensure your products are correctly received and managed by Amazon's fulfillment centers. Here's a concise guide. Log into Seller Central. Access your Amazon Seller Central account using your credentials. Create a product listing. If your product isn't already listed, go to Inventory and select Add a Product. Provide all necessary details, including title, description, images, and pricing. Prepare your products. Ensure your products are properly packaged according to Amazon's guidelines. Each item should have a scannable FNSKU barcode label. If needed, you can use Amazon's label service for a fee. Create a shipment plan. Go to Inventory and click on Manage FBA Inventory. Select the products you want to send and choose Send or Replenish Inventory. Create a new shipping plan by specifying the ship from address, the quantity of each product, and the packing details. Label your products. Print the FNSKU labels and attach them to your products. Ensure labels are placed according to Amazon's requirements to avoid delays in processing. Prepare shipment. Follow the instructions to pack your products securely. Print the provided shipping labels and attach them to your boxes. Ship to Amazon. Choose your preferred shipping method and send your packages to the designated Amazon fulfillment centers. Track your shipment. Monitor your shipment status in Seller Central to ensure it arrives at the fulfillment center. Amazon will update the inventory status once they receive and process your products.